Psychology says people who constantly have sexual thoughts are often misunderstood, not addicted, not inappropriate, and not lacking self-control. In most cases, frequent sexual thoughts say more about how the brain works than about someone's character. So, if your mind goes there more often than you'd like, this might explain why. Some people don't just think, they visualize. Their imagination is vivid, detailed, almost cinematic. Psychologists have found that people with strong imagination experience thoughts more intensely. Ideas don't stay abstract. They turn into images, scenes, and sensations. Sexual thoughts are one of the most vivid experiences the human brain can produce. So when your imagination is naturally active and curious, those thoughts appear more often. Not because you're trying to think about them, but because your brain is wired to visualize deeply. For many people, sexual thoughts also act as a form of stress relief. When the brain feels bored, overwhelmed, lonely, or emotionally drained, it looks for fast comfort. Research shows that sexual thoughts temporarily reduce anxiety by releasing dopamine and calming the nervous system. They work like a mental relief valve. So when life feels heavy, your mind may drift toward pleasure automatically, not as a problem, but as a coping response.